Today's project is called Cobra Mountain. It's using white and reflective purple to show you the reflective on it. It's known mainly by the up and down, the V pattern in it. This can be reversible depending on what type of clasp you use. Alright, all paracord used is 4 millimeters thick, and is a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, both connected to form the core. Our working ends for the weave is white and reflective purple. They are both 48 inches long or 121.92 centimeters, and they are melted together. You are going to use a pair of scissors or a knife or any kind of sharp object. You can bite it if you want. A lighter or some kind of fire, and a presser, or just your finger, whichever you want to do. And fizz is going to be used toward the end to make it easier to get it through. Now let's get started. And the white goes to the side, the cord goes to the side. Then we tighten it all up. I made the white dominant. This one, the purple is going to be dominant. Okay. Coming up in between 2 and 3. And from the left side, going over the purple, down through in between 2 and 3, coming up, back through the white. That's on the left side. The purple that's on the left goes over across, down into the white on the right side. Tighten up. Okay. White comes from underneath, across. Purple goes over it, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in the loop. It's on the right side. Left goes across. The white goes across, down into the loop on the left. Alright. Now, take the purple, goes on top, goes across, like a regular Cobra stitch now. White goes over, under, from the bottom and up into the loop on the right side. And now the white comes underneath, in between 2 and 3. Purple on the left side now goes over, down, in between 2 and 3, goes over and up through the loop on the left side, the purple loop on the left side. The white goes across and down through the loop on the right side. Then we tighten. Alright, purple on the left side goes up in between 2 and 3. On the white side, on the right, goes down in between 2 and 3, comes back up on the loop on the right side. The purple goes across and down through the loop on the left side. And we tighten up. Stitch. Now, purple across everything on top. White goes over, under, up through the loop on the left side and tightens. Now, take the white from the right side, on the left side, comes up in between 2 and 3. Purple on the right side goes over, down in between 2 and 3, comes up to the purple on the right side. The white goes across and then down through the loop on the left side. And tighten. Right. Now, purple, excuse me, up in the middle between 2 and 3. White goes over the top, over the purple, down in the loop, in the slot in between 2 and 3, comes back up on the left side on the white. The purple goes across and down through the loop on the right side. Tighten, slide up. Purple again on top of everything. White goes over, under, up to the purple on the left side. And you should see the whole weave.